Hi, good evening to all. Today, what I am planning to take a class about Tyndall effect. First of all, we will see what is Tyndall effect and what are the criterions in order to observe the Tyndall effect. When light passes through a colloidal solution, the light will undergoes for a scattering by means of the colloidal particles in the colloidal solution. This scattering of light by the colloidal particles of a colloidal solution is called the Tyndall effect. When light passes through the colloidal solution, the path of the light will become visible and it will shown as a cone, and this cone is called Tyndall cone. Some of the practical applications of a Tyndall that what we are experiencing in our daily life is the sky has a blue color. The color of the ocean water is also somewhat light blue. These are the effects which can be explained by means of a Tyndall effect. So, for example, suppose if you are watching a movie in a cinema hall, you can easily observe the path of the light which is coming from the projector, and it will be illuminated, or otherwise we can see the path of the light. Why means the light will undergoes for a scattering in the presence of dust and smoke present in the projector hall, or otherwise we can simply say that the path of the light will be formed like a Tyndall cone due to the scattering of a light. And now we are going to learn about what are the criteria or what are the conditions to be satisfied in order to observe the Tyndall effect. First one, the wavelength of the light should be somewhat equal to the diameter of the colloidal particles. That means there should not be any greater difference between the size of the colloidal particles and also the wavelength of the light. Second point is that dispersed phase and dispersion medium, the refractive index of the dispersed phase and dispersion medium should not be, it should be larger. It should not be smaller, it should be larger. The refractive index of the dispersed phase and the dispersion medium should be larger. So what are the things that we learned today? We learn Tyndall effect, the scattering of light when it is passed through the colloidal solution contains colloidal particles, the criteria to be followed, and the phenomenon which can be explained by means of the Tyndall effect in our daily life is the sky has a blue color and the water of the ocean is a somewhat blue color. Thank you so much. Have a nice day. Thank you.